We will start. Now, can you please tell me your name? Is this your first or second interview?
First interview, sir.
What is your name, please?
Richard K. Martin, sir.
Richard K. Martin. Good. You are from which part of Kerala?
Ernakulam, sir. Kochi.
What is the degree you studied?
Mass communication.
Sir, something new.
Yes, sir.
Can you please tell me what is mass communication? Just a minute.
Mass communication.
Is it being
Yes,
recorded? Is it being recorded? Yeah. What is mass communication?
Mass communication, as the name suggests, is the communication for the masses, like for the common people. So it includes mainly journalism and its different means, and also digital media.
Okay.
So it can include different means of digital media, and its tools like digital marketing, advertising, public relations, corporate communications, and the traditional media and journalism.
Your interview is going to be on 4th?
Yes, sir.
Why is it you have not been taking your first interview for all this time? You joined my group on August 5th itself. Probably you were one among the first few candidates who joined, correct?
Yes, sir. But I got my date late. So that's why I took it around this time.
And you
so
were
that I can
not,
also prepare.
You were not seen in our GD groups, or you were not seen in our interview groups. Why?
Yes, sir. I was there. I was going through the videos mainly.
No, I am asking in class. In class.
Yes, sir. I was going through the videos mainly in the morning time.
You are a mass communication boy hesitating to join groups. Why? You are not fit for being selected because you are a mass communication fellow, not having the confidence to meet the people in group. Why was it the behavior? Are you a very shy person? Are you an introvert?
No, sir. We were having separate group discussion wise. We were having separate group discussions. I used to join that.
You were never
separate practice sessions. Yeah.
You were never participating.
Not in your. I used to watch your videos mainly, sir. Otherwise, I used to participate in the mock GDs conducted by others.
Okay, that is right. That's right. I have no problem about that. Now, why should I select you, Mr. Martin? You seem to be a very shy person, not interested in mixing up with others, talking to others, communicating to others, sharing your skill with others. Why should I select you?
Because I feel that I'm good at communication and I have good leadership skills as well. Good communication skills is my one of my greatest achievements, I can say. And more than that, as I can make the best use of my subjects I have studied, like digital marketing, advertising, corporate communications, and others. When I join as an officer in a bank like Federal Bank, which is most digitally advanced, and also I have got a very diasporic exposure, during my PG days. I have had my PG at Pondicherry University, so I have got a very diasporic exposure to meet and greet and connect with students across India and abroad. So I can make the best use of that diasporic exposure because it has boosted my interpersonal and communication skills to a very far extent. So I believe I am a best candidate for this role because I can make use of best what I have learned and also what I have studied during my PG days.
What? Tell us about your family.
My family consists of 4. Both my parents are working. My father is a loco pilot at Indian Railways, and my mother is a teacher. And my brother is doing his MS in electronic media in UK.
What is it you have done for the society so far?
Yes, sir. I'm quite active in the youth forum of my church, and we do engage in charity activities in the youth forum. So during every Sundays, we used to collect lunch packets from all the households of the parish, and we used to donate it to general hospitals and best stands and others who are in need of lunch. And we used to collect scrap from all the households of my parish, and we used to sell it out and then collect the money and then donate it to old age homes and others. That is one of the charity works we used to do for the society as a part of the youth forum of my parish, and I'm quite active in that youth forum.
Richard,
Yes, sir.
all this is as a member of a group or probably as a leader of a group. As an individual, what you give to others, which you can give as an individual. Again, let me repeat that. No. Why I am asking with so much pain is that in spite of the calls I have been giving for people to come on conducting mock interview for others and all, why did you not take leadership in that? A girl like Veena Nair, a married girl, takes interest and starts communicating with others. Why can't a man who has done mass communication be an instrument in spreading it? Not for my benefit, for the benefit of the candidates and your own self. If you have done that, you could have learned more about banking and you can answer my questions nicely. Doesn't matter. That is the negative aspect of it. Now I am starting my interview for you. Please tell me about Reserve Bank of India.
RBI is the Central Bank of India. It controls the most of the banking system in India, and it is the banker of bank, and it is the lender's last resort. And also, it controls and maintains the monetary policies and ratios of the various banking system, and it is also the one who creates rules and regulations for the banks in India.
Okay, it is 70% okay of the answer. It could have been better improved. Try to think about it. Now, please tell me what all you know about Federal Bank.
Federal Bank is one of the topmost private sector bank in India, and it is having around a business of around 4.05 lakh crore till today, and total account holders of around 1.6 crore. And the current net profit of Federal Bank is around 854 crores, and the NPA is around gross NPA is around 4,434 crores, and it is one of most digitally advanced bank which is in India till now. And these are the figures of Federal Bank, and it is having around 1,300 plus branches across India, and it is also having its branches abroad as well, especially in the UAE. And it is the first bank in India to bring e-passbook or Fed passbook, what they call it, e-passbook. Which Federal Bank was the first bank in India, private sector bank, which has brought in e-passbook, and it is also the only commercial bank in the country to be awarded the most sought after workplace, the most selected workplace in India under top 50 category. It is the
Super.
only bank in India to be awarded
Super.
that award.
You're talking so nicely, effectively. Why don't you utilize your skill for our candidates? Your interview is going to be on 4th. Oh God.
So we used to conduct mock GDs and others amongst us, and we used to interact with others, not in the main class times, because that time is not comfortable. Early in the morning and others, I am also preparing as well. So I have classes and others, so I won't be available. That's the issue.
What classes are you having?
Banking and government jobs, sir.
During this time of the day, 5:30, 6:30, 7:30, 8:30 in the evening.
That time I will be back, and I will be like mostly looking into your videos. I will be watching your videos mainly, because most of the times I won't be able to. I will be having work and I will have travel back, so I won't be able. That is the issue. And we used to connect with others, like we used to have separate groups, so we used to connect at times.
Very good.
That we used to do.
If that is the case, I'm happy. Please tell me,
because we used to connect with Kerala. There is a Kerala group, and we used to connect there.
So
that is used to happen.
Yeah. How many members are there in Kerala group?
Around 100 plus.
Oh, good. Excellent.
And we used to connect mock GDs and others there. So I used to be part of them, because that timing is like at late night, 10:30, 9:30, and all those, and also in between also 12 p.m. break times, so that okay. We can.
Very good. You tell me that secret. That is what I wanted to know. Anyhow, doesn't matter. Please tell me what is KYC.
KYC is a Know Your Customer form, or it is a method used by banks to know their customers so they can prevent money laundering and other illegal activities. So they can well know their customers and their background so that no other illegal activities and money laundering will happen.
You should
It is
also
in simple terms.
should also tell what are the documents they take.
Basically, PAN card, personal account number card, Aadhaar card, and other government IDs. And if the person is like employed, their salary and employment details, ration card.
Very good.
All
Very
those
good.
details.
Nice. Your number is 94956. No.
Yes, sir. It's 949566.
Yeah, yeah.
The 9495 is the common code.
No, it's okay. It's okay, fine. But I think you were late. Correct?
I was having that network issue. I was
Acha.
there, but you were conducting for Veena, I guess. But
Yeah.
again, I got off.
Your internet was the problem. It's okay, fine. But don't, of course, interview is going to be in person, so that will not be a problem.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That's
Yeah,
not a problem.
have got
Yeah.
not taken a note of the location, and
very good.
I was there.
Excellent. You are such a bright guy. I would like to see you. Come.
Thank you, sir.
Come, it's being recorded, doesn't matter. Come.
Okay. Sorry, sir, I didn't get you.
No, you come on video.
Sorry, sir, I have joined from my mobile phone.
Doesn't matter.
Just a second.
Just put on your shirt and then make it video.
Yeah, I have my t-shirt, so I can.
Good. Yeah. Nitish?
Yeah, hi sir.
Nitish, you are from which place?
So I'm from Hisar, Haryana.
Haryana, acha. Now, what do you think will be the banking industry after 10 years in India?
So as of my belief, it's more on digitization.
Good, very good. Thank you. Now we have our Mr. Richard. Richard, are you going to attend the interview with all these big daddies and all?
Sir, I have trimmed it. So,
but I think Kerala, most of you appear like this only, na? I will ask.
Yeah, we are having. I have trimmed it.
And I will ask Nandini. The majority of the boys, do they appear like this with daddy only in Kerala? Tell me, Nandini. Yeah. Majority of them are with daddy only or without daddies?
The majority will be with daddy. But I've heard like when you're going for an interview, we need to have a clean shave that gives a professional appearance. I have heard that also.
Super. So this is the point. Look, you got a message from another contestant and more or less of your age telling you look better when you are fully shaved. But maybe, but you may appear a little young, doesn't matter, but that's fine.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. I did not ask Veena Nair because she is a married girl, so I didn't go in near her. That's why I asked Nandini. Nandini, you are not married, no?
No, sir. No.
Yeah, just like that I asked. Don't take it seriously. Thanks for your reply. And thanks for your supporting my views. So I wanted this answer from somebody's mouth. That's why I got it. So Richard, you look nice.
Thank you, sir.
You look very smart.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your compliment.
You are very intelligent.
Thank you, sir.
The only thing is, please start opening up. Try to give more to society and others. And that will give you a better image about you. Be smiling always. And yes, mostly you will be selected. God bless you.
Thank you. Thank you so much, sir.
You are doing good.
The only issue was the timing in joining your sir. I'm not hesitant.
I understand. I understand that, but I live in Canada. I have only 4 hours, 5 hours for me.
Yes,
How-
yes, sir, I got.
How
And
much?
the number of candidates, and you're doing a very great job. Thank you, sir.
Yeah,
So I can
that's-
understand that.
Yeah, that's what it is. And
Because I was one of the very few members, like around 30 joined.
yeah,
So no, and now
you
it has
joined.
grown to around,
Now it is
then
near
it was
more
like
than
around 30
more-
or 60.
Now it is
Yeah,
640.
it was-
640.
Yes, sir, I can understand.
Now it is 640 candidates. I'm just trying to manage them all. That's
Yes,
why.
sir, I can understand.
Anyhow, best wishes. You will be selected, most probably. Other things remaining constant. If you are going to falter there, and I can't help it, and talk with a sort of kindness in your words or
Sure, sir.
voice.
Yes, sir.
Other than that, no problem. Best wishes. God bless you.
Thank you, sir. All your blessings. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.